Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance repair tech, and I need to tell this story that just happened because I'm still kind of processing it. So I went out to a house for a washing machine, and when I rang the doorbell, a very kind little old lady answered the door. I'm 5'9". She was probably nearly a foot shorter than me, and she looked like she was probably in like mid to late 70s, maybe early 80s. The first thing she said to me when she saw me was, "Oh, I can't imagine a girl doing this." To which I replied, "Well, imagine it because it's true." And she just said, "So I see," and led me over to her washing machine. So I took a look at her washing machine. I found out that her cold water in the house has a lot of sediment in it, and that was clogging the cold water valve on the washer. I rinsed out the screen on the cold water valve. Washer works fine, and I went and I told her what was going on. And then she looks at me and she just goes, "Can I give you a hug?" So I said yes, and as she was hugging me, she just goes, "I am so glad to see a girl doing this." And then she let go of the hug and she held me at arm's length, and she had both of her arms on my biceps, and she just looks me in the eyes and she goes, "You're a good girl." And she was just going on and on about how she was happy to see a girl doing this. I almost cried when she said that to me, and this is the most that I've teared up because talking about it is helping me process it, but just like, those are the customers that make me having to put up with misogyny and sexism all the time worth it. So I hope that story brightened up your day a little bit, because it definitely brightened up mine.